How to font style name on Telegram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Now to make Telegram name stylish, first of all you can download the application as Blue Words from your Play Store. So open a Play Store in your mobile device and on the search bar search for Blue Words. So you have to install this application in your mobile device. Now once the application is installed, open it up in your device. Now you can close this interface from this top right corner and then tap on allow. You can allow the permission. From here to tap on accept. Here you have to allow the display over other application for your Blue Words. Then once you turn on this toggle, now go back to the application. Now once you have allowed all the permission, tap on next from this interface. Now once you land on this interface of the Blue Words, here scroll down and there you will find multiple font style on your interface. You can choose from Blue Words, thin words, round words, square words, dirty words and multiple more. You can keep on scrolling and then choose one you will like. Here I will just go with Blue Words and then tap on it. After that you have to type in your name for your Telegram that you would like to change the font style to. After you type in the name, you can simply copy this font style by tapping on this copy icon from your top right corner. Tap on it. Now the text has been copied. Once it is copied, now go back and open up Telegram in your mobile device. From here, tap on the three-line icon from the top left corner and then tap on my profile. From here, tap on this edit icon from the top right corner and then tap on your name. Now you can simply clear this name and then simply paste the name that you have copied from the Blue Words. Now once it is pasted, you can tap on this tick mark from the top right corner. And with that, you have changed the font style of your name and Telegram. So this is the way to make the Telegram name stylish with the help of Blue Words. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.